We think we're intelligent because we build cities, write books, and send rockets to space. But what if intelligence isn't what we think it is? What if we've been measuring it all wrong? Stay until the end to discover why an octopus might be smarter than you think. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-expanding content. For centuries, humans have placed themselves at the top of the intelligence hierarchy. We point to our technology, our language, our art as proof that we're the most intelligent species on Earth. But intelligence isn't just one thing. It's not a ladder with humans at the top. It's more like a wheel with different spokes, each representing a different kind of intelligence. Consider the octopus. It has 9 brains, 1 central brain, and 8 smaller brains in each arm. Each arm can solve independently. An octopus can change its color and texture in milliseconds to blend perfectly with its surroundings, solve complex puzzles, open jars, use tools, and even plan escape routes from aquariums. Is that less intelligent than writing poetry, or just different? Or look at crows. They make tools, solve multi-step puzzles, recognize individual human faces and remember them for years, hold grudges, and even conduct what looks like funerals for their dead. They pass down knowledge through generations. Some scientists believe crows have a form of consciousness similar to humans. Then there are dolphins. They have names for each other. Actual individual names in the form of signature whistles. They use those names to call each other across vast distances. They cooperate in complex hunting strategies, show empathy, grieve their dead, and possibly possess a form of language we're only beginning to understand. Elephants never forget, literally. They have incredible spatial memory, can recognize themselves in mirrors showing self-awareness, mourn their dead for days, and communicate using infrasound that travels miles underground. They show compassion, helping injured members of other species, not just their own. But here's where it gets interesting. Bees, tiny insects with brains smaller than a grain of rice. Yet they can count, understand the concept of zero, recognize human faces, make collective democratic decisions about where to build new hives, and communicate the location of food sources miles away using complex dance language. How is that possible with such a small brain? Maybe intelligence isn't about brain size. Maybe it's not about what we can do, but how we solve the problems our environment presents. Humans evolved intelligence to manipulate objects and cooperate in large groups. Octopuses evolved intelligence to solve problems as solitary hunters in complex underwater environments. Crows evolved intelligence to thrive in diverse ecosystems. Each species developed the intelligence it needed to survive. We measure intelligence by human standards: language, abstract thinking, tool use. But what if we measured it by an octopus's standards? Camouflage mastery, distributed decision-making, adaptive problem-solving. By those metrics, humans would fail completely. We can't change our skin color, can't coordinate 9 independent brains, can't taste with our arms. Here's the uncomfortable truth. When we say humans are the most intelligent, what we're really saying is humans are the best at being human. But crows are better at being crows. Dolphins are better at being dolphins. Each species has evolved exactly the intelligence it needs for its ecological niche. Intelligence isn't a single trait. It's a spectrum of abilities. We invented language and built civilizations, but we also destroy the very planet we depend on. Is that intelligent? Octopuses live for only 3 to 5 years. Imagine what they could achieve if they lived as long as humans and could pass knowledge to the next generation. Crows already pass down information for generations. Some crow populations have cultural traditions that persist for decades. That's not instinct. That's learned behavior. That's culture. Maybe the question isn't who is most intelligent. Maybe the question is what kinds of intelligence exist that we don't even recognize yet. Fungi communicate across vast underground networks, sharing nutrients and information. Trees warn each other of threats through chemical signals. Slime molds can solve maze puzzles and optimize network efficiency better than human engineers. Intelligence exists in forms we're only beginning to understand. And the more we learn, the more we realize that human intelligence is just one expression among many. We're not at the top of a ladder. We're one species among millions, each with remarkable abilities adapted to their world. So what truly defines intelligence? Perhaps it's not about being superior. It's about being